I mean, I have created a Java class named switch grading non-numeric. You can see the name from the class over here. Since I said we will be dealing with switch this time, so let nothing be new to you with the exception of this. Okay, we just declare the variable of data type string and the variable name gender. Then we call the scanner class as usual. We will print to the user system.out.println enter gender. Then we assign the gender to be equals to the user input. Then talking about switch or dealing with switch now, we call from the keyword switch itself the word switch. What the switch does is it takes one's argument or parameter, which of course it will be the value or variable in which we want to be specific of its data possible data. Then we know one thing I want to say, it's not like the if statement. Now we can use the ignore case dot equals or ignore case to check say if the input is of type lower and now say uppercase. So we have to case all the value and as a variable. Now we want to check if it is correct. So we started by the female having the first word to be capital, then secondly all words all in lowercase, then the third we check them all in uppercase. When you are chronic type in any case of this now, we will be able to identify it. So what the string does, let's say we open a bracket starting from here after where we pass the argument, so this is how it is. We open a bracket over here, then we case them, case 1, case 2, case 3. From here we check if say they are all equal, then we say system.out.UI female. Then we break the first statement. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. We break the first statement. Say it ends the first check. Then secondly, we proceed on to the second function, saying the user's input may be of type male. Then the same thing applies to it. We check the cases in which it was typed by the user, either upper or lower. Then we check that. So we print if it matches. Then we print to the user, you are male. Then we break that. We cause a break to it. So we use a break to perform we use the break to validate the end of a first check code, unlike the if statement. And you use the distance, the close bracket. You can see from here it was started over here and then ended at this point. Then we continue to execute the next code. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. So the same thing applies to the switch. That's how we go by it. So if we check for the two of it, we check for the two of it. Now say it match nothing, sir. So it match nothing, unlike the if statement that we checked. If it matches nothing, then we completely use the else without the if statement. Then we check by default. We see invalid gender, since we don't have a gender specification apart from male and female. So that's it. So I think we should execute this code and see the outcome of it. So once we type in the gender to be male and then hit on the enter, since male, the lower case of this is being catered for or is being checked over here. We have it over here. So say if we need to see and I say your own commenting. running the kind of information about or in lowercase then enter. Once I say invalid gender, or because say with switch, we must specify all the possible inputs that may be received from the user. So at times, switch quite difficult. Say we use in terms on non-numeric, dealing with alphabets, because someone can type go in the form of all uppercase, or the first letter being capital, or the all in lowercase. So for that one, you have to case them all. You have to case them all, just as it is over here. So for this, dealing with figures, that's where I am at times it's good to use switch. If I recommend that, that's how it is. So this is all about switch. This is all about switch, and then I will do another video. It will talk about switch in general numeric. That means figures. I hope so. What's the answer? Yeah. And I always say I don't want to talk much, since the more the time I talk, the more the times gets keeps on going, and then the file size becomes large. So I think I should end the video over here. Then you take your time to go through it. If you have any question, challenges, then you draw my attention to it. Then you know how to deal with this. Bye.